Simple Fix for 26 continues right now with a question. Is it possible somehow to avoid Alzheimer's and dementia? Please welcome the author of The Invincible Brain, Dr. Majid Fotuhi. Welcome.
Thank you very much.
So that is the question on everybody's mind. I think it's in the news constantly. Can we possibly avoid cognitive decline?
Yes, we can absolutely reduce cognitive decline associated with aging. See, just the way you can take care of your heart and take care of your teeth and have them be strong and healthy with aging, you can take care of your brain and keep it healthy as you grow older.
Okay, what is the difference between Alzheimer's and dementia? Is there a difference?
Well, dementia is a clinical syndrome. It means that a person may have memory loss, but progressive cognitive decline to the point that they cannot function independently. That's called dementia. So dementia can have many different causes. Sometimes the dementia is caused by Parkinson's disease or Lewy body dementia or stroke, and sometimes it's caused by too much alcohol or too many concussions. Alzheimer's disease is a subtype of dementia. It's characterized by accumulation of these proteins, which we call plaques and tangles. They cause atrophy in the brain, and they cause symptoms.
And what are the signs of these brain issues?
Yes. Well, initially, a person may have difficulty with memory and attention and repeat the same thing over and over again.
Okay.
As the condition progresses, a person becomes confused. For example, they may not know what year it is, or they may get lost in their own neighborhood, or they may have behavioral problems.
You say there are 5 lifestyle changes that factor into keeping the brain healthy. What are they?
Yes. The 5 pillars of brain health are: move your body.
Yeah.
Exercise is really the fountain of youth.
Okay.
Second thing is to sleep. Prioritize your sleep.
Oh.
During sleep, you consolidate your memory, and that's very important. Third is don't eat junk food.
Sugar.
Eat brain-healthy food, such as Mediterranean diet.
Okay.
Next is don't stress too much. When you stress too much, you increase cortisol levels, and cortisol is really toxic to the memory parts of the brain. And lastly is to challenge your brain. When you use your brain, it gets stronger. Your brain's like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets.
Do you think we're using it today? Like, when we're doing this show, we're using our brain.
Interviewing you, does this count as using our brain?
You want to be challenged. If you think it's challenging to talk to me, then maybe it is. I think you have to do something that's fun and exciting. For example, I like to take dance classes. It challenges my brain. It helps me exercise.
Yes.
And that's a good form of brain challenge.
So that's exercise and challenging your brain.
Exactly.
So does that count as 2 for 1?
Yes, you can do multiple things. For example, if you go hiking with a friend and you talk about different things, you're exercising and you challenge your brain.
So if I'm hiking with my friend and I'm talking about mahjong, that's 2 for 1.
Yes.
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 What about people who are already showing symptoms of these conditions? Can we reverse it?
Yes, I think I'd like to explain something. You know, 70 years ago, we used to think that exercise was not necessary or could even be dangerous for patients with heart disease.
Right.
Patients were told to stay home and rest. But decades of research showed that exercise is a powerful intervention to protect the brain and prevent heart disease. We are going through the same revolution in the way we think about neurology and neuroscience. We now know that we can really stimulate our brain and keep it healthy and strong. Your brain's like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Now, when it comes to people who have early stages of Alzheimer's disease or have significant cognitive decline, we know that many lifestyle interventions can help. Several randomized controlled trials, such as a 12-week program that I developed myself, have shown that these 5 pillars of brain health, when combined, can actually help people a little bit. They can't reverse Alzheimer's disease, but they can help a little bit.
Slow it down.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, be sure to pre-order The Invincible Brain wherever you get your books. We'll be right back.